Well, hello there. It is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Hopefully, you all are still staying in your home. That's what we need to do right now. And washing those hands, because that's also something we need to be doing right now. Today, we are going to take a wee bit of a break from our personal narrative. And we are going to be practicing a reading strategy called visualizing, or a simpler way to say it, making pictures in your head. Okay, now when you read, it is super important to make pictures in your head or visualize. Why? Because it helps you understand the stories you read. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I'll be reading a story and then realize my mind is somewhere else and I haven't been making pictures and I have no idea what I just. So I had to go back and make those pictures in my head. Okay. Another way to think about it is you've read a book and then you go and you watch the movie and you're like, OMG, the pictures in my head do not match the movie. Or, OMG, the pictures in my head totally matched the movie. The only movie I can think of where I really feel like the pictures in my head were matched or somebody actually made it better was Harry Potter. I feel like all other movies, my imagination is a little bit better. But anyway, this is something hopefully you do, but we're going to practice doing it a little bit more to make us better readers. So, visualizing, making pictures in your head. So today what you're going to do is you're going to have a story to read, and then you are going to draw a picture, and you are going to share that picture on Seesaw with us. Okay? We'd love to see a video of you talking about it. If you don't feel comfortable with that, you can just take a picture and post it on Seesaw. So anyway, I thought it might be helpful to go ahead and go through an example with you guys. So this is a passage I pulled up, and it's called The Alien from Outer Space. Zing, boing, clang, zip, zap. It woke me up from a 2-hour nap. That hairy, buck-toothed alien critter was spitting like it ate something bitter. Red, mean, nasty, and stinky too. It blew out purple chunks as it sneezed. Achoo! Go away, you ugly alien, I screamed aloud. Onto its ship, it disappeared into the clouds. Okay, so while I was reading that story, hopefully you were making some pictures in your head. When I read it the first time, I made some pictures in my head. So I'm going to show you the picture that I created. Okay, so you'll see here my fine artistic ability. You see here is I've got my alien, and he's very hairy, and he's got buck teeth. Buck teeth are like really big teeth. Okay, and if you look, I'm in the window and my mouth is like, what? And the alien is saying, achoo. And then I know you can't see it very well, but those are purple chunks coming out of the alien's mouth. And in a later part of the story, you will see my very fine UFO with the alien waving goodbye. Okay, so that's my picture. We are going to give you a different story to do this with. Although, if you want to draw an alien, I totally appreciate that. But we're going to give you a different story to do, and you will draw a picture. And again, we want you to post it on the Seesaw. The Seesaw. If you really don't want to draw, I guess you could post some pictures from the internet, but I would prefer to see your drawings. Anyway, I'll see you guys hopefully sooner rather than later. Adios.